There lived a farmer named Albert. He used to fight with everyone. He had no friends because of his quarrelsome nature. He thought himself to be superior to others. He never wished or welcomed anyone. Almost all the villagers used to avoid him and kept away from his company. Once, another farmer named Johnson came to this village and settled there. He was very kind and helpful, and soon mixed up with other farmers. The people paid due respect to him and went to him to seek his advice on important matters. They warned Johnson to be cautious of Albert and said,
"Never talk to Albert or go to him, as he is very quarrelsome."
Johnson said,
"If Albert quarrels with me, I will kill him."
Hearing it, people laughed because they took it as a big joke. They believed that Johnson was kind-hearted and would never kill Albert. Johnson, however, repeated these words,
"It is not a joke. I will certainly kill Albert."
This conversation was conveyed to Albert by someone who was jealous of Johnson. Albert got furious and decided to teach him a lesson. Now, he was in search of an opportunity to fight with Johnson. Once, he sent his cattle to the field of Johnson, but Johnson silently turned away the cattle from his field. Similarly, on another occasion, Albert cut the canal, making way for the water to enter Johnson's field. But Johnson repaired the canal without saying any word to Albert. This way he did not give any opportunity to Albert to quarrel with him. Once Albert was coming on his bullock cart with a load of grain. His cart got stuck in the mud on his way to the village. As his bulls were very weak, they were not able to pull the cart from the mud. Albert was forced to stay on the road. When the news reached the villagers, the people became very happy, and nobody went to help him.
Now he would be compelled to bow down before all of the village.
Everyone in the village thought. When Johnson got the news, he went to him with his strong bulls, despite of protests from the villagers. When Albert saw him, he shouted at him,
"I don't need your help. Go back!"
But Johnson said,
"No, friend, I cannot leave you alone in the trouble."
Saying this, Johnson pulled the cart out with the help of his bulls. Albert came to the village with his cart and bulls. After this incident, Albert was a changed man. He was no more a quarrelsome person. He declared,
Johnson has killed old Albert by his benevolence.
Johnson then clarified what he really meant by his saying to kill Albert. He wanted to kill the bad soul inside Albert by giving birth to a good soul. It is a well-known fact that one cannot kill the evil by violence or force. A bad person can be changed into a good one by changing his attitude. Moral: an evil can be removed or won by virtue of goodness.